guys, today we will be styling the main chat. Okay, so down or underneath the users area, define or put another div here, okay, with an ID that says message area. Okay, so it is the area from here to here with these borders. Okay, it is the area that we can display messages on and display the input that you can input messages to be displayed here. Okay, so first of all, let's style this by saying message, or is it chat area? It's chat area. Chat area. Once again, I'm doing this, okay, or this, because I just want to keep up with the sequence of the divs. You don't have to do that. It's just a user preference. Okay, message area equals, so we've set it up the width of this to be 20% of the width, right? So the rest has to be 80% of the width. So let's say width equals 80% of the page's width, and height equals 100%, of course, and background color, so we can make sure. If you refresh the page, okay, you can see that it's right there on the left, but we want it to be on the right. So we will say float right. Wait, where is it? Well, it's actually down there in the bottom of the page, but it's not showing it because we set the overflow to be hidden. If you remove that and you refresh the page, you can see that it's down there. But what brought it to be down here? Okay, right? Well, we said that this copies 80% of the width, right, of the page's width, and this copies 20% of the page's width. Well, this doesn't actually copy 20% of the page's width because it has one border here. So this is 20% of the page's width plus 1 pixel of border. So 80% of the width plus 20% of the width plus 1 pixel is actually not the page's width. It's more than that with 1 pixel. So in order to remove that, or in order to fix that, let's first of all put this back again. Okay. In order to fix that, we want to use the calc CSS function, which does a calculation, and we're gonna say 80% minus 1 pixel here. Okay. So when you refresh the page, you can see that it's right there. Okay, now we will be dividing this area into two pieces. The first one is going to be the area that displays the messages, and the second is going to be the area that shows the input, so you can input your message and display it on the display message here. So we will be dividing this, and we will add another div that has an ID of message area. Let's say display message, okay, message area. And inside this div, we will be adding a UL, okay, so we can list the messages that we want, and we're going to give it an ID of messages, okay, and we will be styling that right now, chat area, message area, and then let's say display message area, okay. So the display message area has to be the width of 100%. So 100% of this div here, okay, and not from 100% of the page. So when we say something like width equal to 100%, it's going to be 100% of the div area and not from the page's width. So if you put that and say background color red, not red, blue. Okay, and the height has to be 80%. Why does it has to be 80%? Because, or why does it has to be 90% actually? Why does it has to be 90%? Because the 10% left is gonna be for the input of the message that we want. Okay, to refresh that, you can see that this is still occurring. Let's add a border top, 1 pixel, solid and transparent, whatever. Okay, there it is. Alright, now here is gonna be the form of the input and the send button. Okay, so you can type your message and send the button, send the message by clicking the button or hitting enter. Alright, now let's see here. So the UL messages, let's add actually an LI here so we can testing message. Okay, you can see that it's actually giving it like that, and with this list style, and we're going to be removing that list style by doing chat area, message area, display message area. Okay, display message area and messages, and then we're gonna say li list style type none, and before that let's actually chat. Let's copy this messages to be margin 0 and padding 0. Padding 0. Okay. You can see that it's right there. So we will be margining the UL and not the display message area. We will be margining that. Let's say margin left by 20 pixels. Is it good? I think it's good. Not that great. Let's make it 30 actually, and margin top with something 10 pixels. I don't know. Let's. Okay, there it is. It's actually really great here. Okay. But actually, this is not what we want, because if you say background minus color equals gray, you can see that it's the margin is shown, but we don't want to show that. So we will be adding this, okay, to the li here. So you can see, whoops. Give me a second here. Let's see, margin. Let's say margin equals 0, and padding equals 0 as well. Still there. Okay. Hold up, there's something wrong that I'm doing here right now. Okay. Oh, now I get it. We don't want to even use the margins, okay? Remove this. We want to be using the paddings here. So we will be adding a padding. See, adding a padding. Okay, so we will add a padding here and see, and let's say 10 pixels and 10 pixels. Let's see how it goes. You can see that it's right there, stuck right here, and it's padded, and it's fully, the width of it is 100% of the div. Okay, so let's add another div, let's add another li here, and say another 2. You can see it's like that. Well, now the color is actually like basic, and not like, you can see that it's actually the same messages. So we will add a CSS property here, and let's say which is nth minus child with the argument or the parameter odd. Okay, so when you say, whoops, this is not, we shouldn't add this here. When you add this chat area, let's copy this. Okay, and now we want this to be color gray whenever an odd number is there. Okay, so 1 is an odd number, 2 is not, 3 is an odd number, 4 is not. Let's add another one to explain this. See, 1 is an odd number, 2 is not, 3 is an odd number, 4 is not. So it's adding this style property or this style here to every odd number of the li. Okay, so that's what it does. And let's actually add not gray. Let's say AAA. Let's see here. Let's make it EE. CCC. Let's see. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, it does. Okay, now we have completed that. Now we will be manipulating or designing or styling, whatever you want to call it, the input here or the form. So let's go ahead here and underneath the display message area, let's actually create a div, okay, that has an ID of not display message area. Let's say message form area. Okay, or what did we call it here? Login form area, message form area. Okay, so that's good. So inside that we will be adding the form, okay, and we will be giving it an ID of a message form. Alright, and here we will be inputting an input. We will be putting an input of type text. Name, we don't want to specify a name for it. Placeholder, type your message, three dots. Let's give it an ID, which is the message. Okay, ID equals message. And what else? Autocomplete, of course, is off because it's annoying. Type equals submit, and this is the submit button. Value equals, let's say, value equals send. Yeah, send, I guess. I don't know. We will be checking that later. It's just for send now. Now ID equals message submit. Okay, message submit. Alright, so you can see, let's test it out here. You can see that it's right there. Alright, so right now, let's copy this actually. Display message area. Let's copy this and display message area and message form area. Message form area. Width of 100%. Height of 10%. Okay. Okay, so let's add background here, color of yellow. Let's see how it goes. Whoops, message form area. It's not actually in the. Hold up. I think I did something wrong here. It's not in the display message area here. Message area, message form area. Okay, so there it is. All right. Now we will be making that to be the height of this. All right, the complete height of this, and this to be the complete height of this, and the width of the rest. So let's style that and say message area for message form area for message form then message form, and then what is it? Message. Yep, message. Let's say the height has to be 100%. Let's see if it works. Let's see how it goes. It didn't work at all. Or is it? Because I messed up here. Chat area. Message area. Message area. Okay, where's the message area? There it is. Message area. Message form area. Message form area. There it is. Message form. Message form. Okay, and then message. I don't know what is happening here, or oh, it's because 100% is not working. So let's add 100 pixels. Okay, so it works now because inputs apparently do not work with percents. So we're going to be using that, even though it's kind of annoying. Say hi 20%, 20%, and it's not going to work at all. So yeah, we have to put something like 80 pixels here. We have to manually manipulate that, or manually edit that to be complete. 60 pixels. Not that good. Let's make it 50. Oh my god. Not 50. Let's make it 55. Well, whatever. 56, whatever. Okay, there it is. Now the width of it has to be not 100%. It has to be 90%. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there it is. And the font size has to be 20 pixels, I guess. There it is. Let's add a padding, 5 pixels here, and 0 pixels. Okay. Whoops, we added the wrong padding here. 0 and 5 pixels here. I keep forgetting that. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Okay. Why does it have... But we edited that, didn't we? Oh, we actually... Oh, okay, now I get it. We have removed the padding, so it looks smaller right now. So let's give it 57, or let's make it 60, and whatever happens, I don't care. Okay, there we go. There you go. So we had specified a height of 60 to width, and a width of 90, so that this gets a 10% width. All right. So here, okay, we have now. Let's remove the outline on 0. Outline. Let's none. Okay. Now we want this to be. Hold up here. Okay. Message submit. And let's say the height has to be 60 pixels. The width has to be 10 pixels, 10%. It's not there because the padding and the blah blah blah. So border 1 pixel, solid, black. I mean 0, 0, 0. It's better. Still there because we have to reduce the width with the calc here. We have to reduce 1 pixel. Okay, that's 1. And we have to reduce. Does this have a border? Of course. So 2 pixels. 2 pixels. It's not there. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh, no. We have added a padding here. So 1 pixel of the button, 1 pixel of the input message, and 5 pixels of the input here that we added. So it goes to 7. Let's go ahead. It's still there. Let's go to 10 and let's see how it goes. Still down there. Um, 100 pixels. I don't know, dude. Here it is. Let's see here. Oh, okay, now I get it. There's a margin here, so minus 30. Wait, hold up. Let's actually margin 0. Padding. Margin of this to be 0. It didn't matter at all, so let's remove them all. Well, I guess I have to. Oh wait, font minus size 26 pixels. I guess that's it. Give it like this. Looks more neat like that. Let's give it okay. So now we want to let's just make that 50 pixels and just move on. Let's make it 100 now. It's still down there. 90 pixels. This is actually annoying me right now. Okay, there you go. And this doesn't have to be sent. This has to be sent like that. Okay, there you go. Not 80. It to be 85. Okay, so that looks better. Alright. It does look better, actually. And let's say 80 to be 80 pixels. Okay, there you go. Let's just reverse it to be 85 and move on, because background color has to be transparent here, so that when you go ahead here and when you hover on it, the color has to be FFF, which is white. Background color has to be black. Okay, there you go. And the pointer, of course. I forgot the pointer. Cursor. There you go. Okay, so alright, so let's actually remove these really irritating colors right here. Let's remove the yellow. Let's remove the purple. The blue. Where's the blue? Okay, the blue. And let's remove the purple. And let's remove the red color. And let's see how they go right now. It looks like this exactly. Okay, now here we want to add a color in here and a color in here. So in the chat area, okay, the users area, where's the users area? There's the users area, the background color. Color has to be, let's say, DDD, okay. There you go. And this has to be darker than this. So let's give it a, message area, right? Message area. Background color of, let's give it CCC. No, let's give it AAA, okay? And there you go. And this has to be wider or lighter than that. Lighter than that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, there it is. Not CCC, it has to be EEE. Okay, so now it looks better. And this has to be transparent right now. The message here has to be background color transparent. and you can see that this does not look good. And color, of course, is going to be EEE. All right, and of course it's not going to be shown right now because the placeholder color is still not the same. EEE. There you go. Okay, so let's make it border minus color, or border minus top, border minus color minus size, let's say. Okay, or not, what is it? Border minus, you want, yeah, minus width 1 pixel. Okay, it looks like that. And the color, border minus color. You know, we're not going to be adding a border here, so border, remove the border, definitely remove it. And because we're going to be adding here on the messages here, right? Not the messages, I mean the message form area. We're going to be adding a border top minus top. Minus top. Okay, 1 pixel, solid, and let's make it black. Okay. So there you go. There's the send message here, then send button here, and what else? Let's add a border between this and this. So the message here, border 0 equals 0, and border minus right. That's 1 pixel, solid, and make it black. There you go. So this wouldn't actually have to add the border to it, so we can remove that, and or border, transparent. Let's see how it goes. There you go. See? It looks better right now. Okay, so we have designed everything here. Alright? We have designed the online users list, we have designed the message area, and we have designed the input here, and we have designed the submit button here, and it looks super amazing. So that's it for the styling. In the next videos we will go into scripting or programming the actual functionality of this chat system here. So thanks for today's lesson, and thanks for watching.